Check if you have all the accessories and tools. 1. Install the post insert into the end of post. 2. Install a short Z-beam into the 2 bottom keyholes of the post. Make sure the short Z-beam is in the upright position. 3. Install a long Z-beam into the 2 bottom keyholes of the post. Make sure the long Z-beam is in the upright position. 4. Repeat step 1, step 2, and step 3 to create the bottom frame assembly. 5. Install the post insert into the other end of the post. 6. Add another post onto the post insert. Layer of long Z-beams. 7. Fit the support braces to each layer of long Z-beams. 8. Connect the top and bottom post by using the post connectors. 9. Install the post insert into the top of the post.